In the year 2032, nuclear warfare has destroyed the world's supply of food and rearranged the Earth into a replica of the fictional land of Oz. The only non-radioactive food has been seized by the malevolent Wizard of Oz that has a fetish for eating. Here we find our travelers, emaciated and lacerated due to an attack by flying monkeys 3 days earlier. After having their only supplies stolen, they are forced to meander along the Yellow Brick Road.
This road is so long and confusing. I feel like we're trapped in a labyrinth.
Well, if we're ever going to end this torture, I say we find the castle.
I agree. I'm beginning to forget the taste of a good burger.
I know, this is farcical.
And so the group continued on until at last they reached the citadel of the Great Wizard of Oz with its vibrant atmosphere. As they approached the door, they heard a resounding crash, and the door began to open.
Should we go inside?
Yes, I'm starving.
I'm scared. I have a phobia of unknown places.
Dorothy and her friends stopped inside and were confronted by a large man wearing a crown and holding a cane.
Shazam! I am the puissant Wizard of Oz. Who are you mortals?
My name is Dorothy, and these are my friends. We were attacked by a gang of flying monkeys, and they stole all of our food. We were hoping we could stay here and rest and possibly get something to eat.
Your story sounds true, but if you want food, you'll have to pass the test.
What test? I exact a burger now, you contemptuous man.
For you to have a place to sleep and a meal, you must answer 5 questions. For each question you answer lucidly, I will give you 1 article of food. For each question you answer incorrectly, I will take away a piece of food. At the end, if you have more than 3 pieces of food, you may stay and rest in my castle. If you don't answer 3 correctly, you will be my prisoners and will be forced to stay in my fortress for all of eternity. Your answers must be laconic. We don't want to waste any time.
That sounds good. We accept.
Very well. First question. What does the word maudlin mean?
Oh, I know that. Maudlin means tearfully or weakly emotional.
You may have 1 sandwich. Question 2. What is the definition of incessant?
Incessant means a minor weakness.
That's foible. Give me back the sandwich. Incessant means to continue without interruption. You must be abashed. Question 3. What is the definition of tact?
I remember this. Tact means a keen sense of what to do or say to avoid giving offense.
Correct. You are 2 for 3. You may have your sandwich back. Question number 4. What does the word uncouth mean?
Prude or unrefined.
Dang it! Correct again. You may have a bag of chips. 5th and final question. What is the definition of loquacious?
That's easy. Loquacious means overly talkative.
Very good. You all seem to know your SAT vocab words. Your final piece of food is cookies.
I want a freaking hamburger.
Calm down. We have our food. Why can't you be happy?
Do you have any idea how long I've been waiting for a hamburger? I know for a fact Mr. Fatty over here has hundreds in his castle.
Yeah, let's get him.
A violent battle between the wizard, the Tin Man, and the Scarecrow began. In the end, the Tin Man ended up stabbing the wizard, and he disappeared in a puff of smoke.
That's crap. I'm gonna kill you.
Shazam! Oh.
Hooray! We're free of this tyranny!
Now we can eat all the food we want.
This day on, the land of Oz became a peaceful place, with Dorothy becoming queen. Every creature in Oz never went hungry again.